this was your wall, and if you had another wall here, okay, and you had a ceiling right here, to get to this corner piece, you won't be able to do it with this trowel. You would use a knife. Yes or no?
Yeah.
You listen, yes, you can't go all the way to the edge with this trowel. You can't. With this trowel, you can. You come, you hit it, use your finger, pull it down the ceiling, all the way around. Very, very simple to do it. You flip your trowel, same process, you flip it. You have some junk on it, you clean it. You can leave the junk there and keep hitting it. That junk won't get to it. You'll keep moving forward with it. What else? This piece right here, this little piece, gets more flexible, so you compress a lot better to it, in my opinion, than this one, because it bends more. I don't know if you guys see that bend. So I put more pressure, I can compress it better. It's easier for repairs as well, because when you do like let's pretend a fine Marmorino, you stop it here, right? When you move forward, when you burnish it up to here, you have that 1 inch space. You're gonna come back and compress it. Compressing it is what makes it all, the ridges look beautiful. Very important. And the flexibility does that. And then behind the toilets, it's very easy to have a nice movement. It's harder with this one. It's easier with this one, because if not, you normally be behind the toilets using this. If you start using this to go really low and then come back underneath it to have a nice movement. So it's very cool. So I use this like a 501. I've just made the trowel more elegant, more sexier for us, you know, because all you guys are handsome guys, you know. So you come in dressed nice as your employee uniform, whatever it is, and you come out with your bag and you take out a dope ass trowel. And these people look at you, because it's happened to me, and they're like, oh my gosh, trowels of a master. Trowels of a master, people that don't even know about what you're doing say that. Trowels of a master. And I was like, man, I'm a trademark that. That's really dope, you know? So basically, you come in with a presence. You're a professional. You guys are professionals. You guys gotta look professional as well. Shave, put some cologne on in the morning, you know? Brush your teeth, have your teeth looking good. You guys are pros, you guys are knocking out jobs. These are not Mickey Mouse jobs, these are high-end jobs. You guys come in, they look at you, they inspect you as soon as you walk in. They inspect what kind of car you're driving, they inspect the shoes you're wearing. You walk in, it's your presence of how you even say hello. Very important to close the deal. Very important. They see that.